Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 to 3, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. Olivia dashed tea because she prefers coffee. The correct option is doesn't like. Olivia doesn't like tea because she prefers coffee. Question 2. I dash tea, so I usually drink juice instead. The correct option is don't like. I don't like tea, so I usually drink juice instead. Question 3. Mary and Jim are strangers. Mary dash Jim at all. The correct option is doesn't know. Mary and Jim are strangers. Mary doesn't know Jim at all. Question 4. It's a nice day today. You dash your umbrella this morning. The correct option is don't need. It's a nice day today. You don't need your umbrella this morning. Question 5. It dash in Bangkok in the winter, so people wear light clothes. The correct option is doesn't snow. It doesn't snow in Bangkok in the winter, so people wear light clothes. Question 6. I dash French, but I can speak Spanish. The correct option is don't speak. I don't speak French, but I can speak Spanish. Question 7. I dash hungry because I just ate lunch. The correct option is am not. I am not hungry because I just ate lunch. Question 8. Butterflies dash very long because their lifespan is short. The correct option is don't live. Butterflies don't live very long because their lifespan is short. Question 9. A butterfly dash a long life. It only lives for a few weeks. The correct option is doesn't have. A butterfly doesn't have a long life. It only lives for a few weeks. Question 10. A butterfly dash large, but it can fly great distances. The correct option is isn't. A butterfly isn't large, but it can fly great distances. Question 11. Butterflies dash large, yet they are very colorful. The correct option is aren't. Butterflies aren't large, yet they are very colorful. Question 12. We dash class every day on the weekend. The correct option is don't have. We don't have class every day on the weekend. Question 13. This city dash nice weather in the summer, but it is lovely in spring. The correct option is doesn't have. This city doesn't have nice weather in the summer, but it is lovely in spring. Question 14. He dash work on Sundays because it's his day off. The correct option is doesn't. He doesn't work on Sundays because it's his day off. Question 15. My parents dash like spicy food, so we cook mild meals. The correct option is don't. My parents don't like spicy food, so we cook mild meals. Question 16. Sarah dash enjoy horror movies. She finds them too scary. The correct option is doesn't. Sarah doesn't enjoy horror movies. She finds them too scary. Question 17. The baby dash sleep through the night yet. The correct option is doesn't. The baby doesn't sleep through the night yet. Question 18. My neighbors dash make noise after 10 p.m. The correct option is don't. My neighbors don't make noise after 10 p.m. Question 19. Tom dash play the piano, but he loves music. The correct option is doesn't. Tom doesn't play the piano, but he loves music. Question 20. Cats dash usually like water, unlike dogs. The correct option is don't. Cats don't usually like water, unlike dogs. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.